Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing something similar to what is in my bag, but today it's going to be what fits inside my bag. So recently, if you watched one of my haul videos from before, you would know that I got a new purse for my birthday, and I've only worn this bag about twice. So I want to switch it out because I think I want to wear it. And I want you guys to kind of follow along and see how much actually fits in here. So I'm going to take my regular everyday bag. This is a Coach bag that I got at the outlet. I love this little bag. It is so chic and so cute. But I want to put everything that's in here and see if it fits. So as you can see, they're very similar in size, but obviously they're not as wide. By the way, this is the YSL Sunset, but it's the smaller version, like maybe the Sunset on chain or something like that. I'll have the exact bag linked down below so that you guys can go and check it out. But let's go ahead and get started. So inside the bag, all that I have is the strap. So I'm gonna set that off to the side for now, and we're just gonna start in there. So when you open it, you have a few different compartments. You have this one here, which I think will fit my phone, and then there is like the main compartment, and then there is a small zipper compartment, and there are some card slots. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that, but there are card slots, so it saves space when it comes to putting in a wallet. And then there is also a back sort of slip compartment back here as well. So maybe I could also put my phone back here. We'll have to see. Okay, so in the main compartment, I definitely want to transfer over some of my cards. So right now, all of my cards are in this YSL card holder. I love this little thing. I think it's so useful. I got it last year for my birthday. But yeah, I'll have it linked down below as well, but this is just, it's great. So I'm gonna take some cards that I have. I'm just gonna take literally all the ones that are in here, since those are the ones I use every day, and I'm gonna pop them into the bag. Alrighty, so I was able to fit all of the cards that I had in my card holder. Okay, so moving right along, I'm going to just pull out random stuff here. So I have my hand cream, which I use pretty much every single day. This is the Caudalie Therapist. This is like my third or fourth bottle of this stuff. It is great. So I'm gonna put that in here, and that actually takes up like quite a bit of the space. So here's to hoping that more stuff fits. Okay, I'm gonna put in my cherry chapstick, which I always have to carry with me. I'm gonna put in a lip liner. This is the one from Huda Beauty in the shade Warm Brown. And then I think I'm gonna use this lipstick. This is from Clinique. It's called Delicate. Reminds me of Taylor Swift, obviously. So the lip liner does not fit in the zipper compartment. It's just too long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that in the regular compartment and put my cherry chapstick and my lipstick in the zippered compartment. Let's see what else I got going in here. So I do have some eye drops, which I'm also going to put in here. Maybe I'll put that in the zippered compartment as well. I always need eye drops because I do wear contacts and my eyes always get dry and irritated. So I do have an extra lipstick in here that I'm not going to put just because I do want to try and save some space. So the next thing that's in my regular purse is a mini rollerball perfume. I am definitely going to put this in my new bag, so let's just put it in the main compartment. And then the last thing I'm going to add is, of course, my phone. And I want to see if it fits back here. It does not, and I have the iPhone 13 Pro, by the way. So let's go ahead and see if maybe it will fit in this pocket. So this middle pocket actually is kind of like awkward because it is so flat that with my lipstick and chapstick and eye drops in there, I don't think it's going to work out. So I'm going to take actually all that stuff out so that it lays more flat. And I'm gonna put nothing in there for now, but I'm gonna put my phone and see if it fits in the front in here sideways, and it does not. So let's actually try the zipper pocket then. Oh, it's getting hard. So let's see if it fits in here. Oh my gosh. And it does not fit. So we are going to have to jimmy rig it and try and fit it in the main compartment. So let's see. So now my phone is the first thing that's in there. Now I'm going to take my mini roller ball, throw that in there, my hand cream, throw that in there. So here we go, that's what it looks like. My eye drops, my lipstick, and my lip liner. Oh, my chapstick, can't forget that. So pretty much everything fits in the main compartment. Now these like side compartments, I'm not really sure what I'm going to like put in these, maybe like receipts and stuff, because nothing really fits in this. I feel like if I was carrying cash, this would be a good place to store it because it is zippered, and then if you have change, it's not gonna like fall out or anything. So I'm guessing that's what that was meant for originally. But let's see if I can close it. And it closes just fine. So here is the bag all together. There's nothing in this back pocket because nothing really fits back there. Maybe a hair tie, I don't know. So let's now attach the chain, which I believe the chain attaches to these little like hooks that are over here on the inside of the bag. And the reason why I chose this bag is because this is a great, one second, I can't do this with nails. This is a great going out bag, just in general. I've been eyeing this bag for a really long time, and I was stuck between the big size and the smaller size, but I ultimately chose the smaller size because I knew I wanted something that would be small enough to use to go out with. And the reason I love it so much as well is because, well, you can wear it as a crossbody. So you can wear it, you know, just as a crossbody. You can remove the chain and just wear it, hold it here, which is what I was doing in the beginning of the video, just use the top handle. Or you can take the chain. This is a little hack that I kind of taught myself while I had this bag. When I first got it, I was like trying to see how I can wear it. Okay, so if you take the two ends of the chain that it comes with and hook them through these little loops up here where the top handle is, and so I'm just gonna rope it through and then do the same thing to the other side. So just put it through there. And then what you can do is you are going to take the two little, I don't know what these are called, the ends of the chain, you know, the connectors, and you're gonna connect them together so that the strap is now like on here and it's all looped through. And what you can do is you can pull them both like this, and now you have a literal shoulder bag. And like I literally taught myself this, like nobody taught me this. So this is just a little hack in case you were interested in this bag. You can also wear it as a shoulder bag, which I think looks super cute. So 3 different ways to wear this bag. I am obsessed with it. This is the YSL a sunset on chain. I don't really know. I'll have it linked down below for you guys, but I got the black leather with the gold hardware. I just love gold so much. But yeah, that was pretty much everything that fit in here. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling and I'm going to go now. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe down below. Do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is always linked in the description box. And yeah, without further ado, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!